Today I've had a look at this key on the Renault. This would be the same for a Renault Mégane and Renault Scenic, and I had a comment saying check the solder on this, right? And it's come away. I carefully tried to remove the cover, but it didn't come off. It doesn't come off in one go. It's like totally one piece, so I couldn't open it. But I do have an eBay thing that will just press together when I'm done, so it's going to be okay. I've got a new cover, so if I solder this back into here, the thought is it might work. It's worth a go. Soldered it back on. It's a bit too blurry there. The three little points. So this isn't going to fall off, and I think maybe when we're touching this with the knife, we're maybe just pushing that on so it makes a contact. It could be all it is until eventually it doesn't do it at all. The key just snaps together in this plastic nicely. It just clicks and then it's done, you know, that's good. But here's the part of the card reader that would look like this. I got this off eBay. I didn't think it would work. It's actually got some bad wiring in the back, burned out wires. I didn't think it would work, but I needed a new one of these because the card would fall out. But now that I've got this, and just for the part on the back, a new case and a bit of solder on that coil that I showed you. See this knife? Not that knife, the knife she was using in the car, like a butter knife. I think it's just worn that away. So at least now we've got one key. I guess I have a chance to get this looked at by somebody to get another key, but now at least one key works properly. I'll just show you in the car. So I've put the back on here. There's two sort of metal, they're like slides to help the card slide in. I'm not sure how any of this works. But basically, when you get in the car, it says insert the card. And now, without a knife, you just put the card in and it says press the brake and start. So you press the brake, and well, in this case, I'm actually pressing the clutch, but you press start, and the car starts. Now I can take it out. It says remove card. I've removed it. Now what's it saying? Insert card. And the steering lock came on.